Everyone, today I am going to teach method of variation of parameters. How to solve y double prime minus 6 into y prime plus 9 into y is equal to e power 3x by x square by using the method of variation of parameters. Before we are going to solve this question, let us recall or remember working rule of the method of variation of parameters. So the general form of the given differential equation is y double prime plus p into y prime plus q into y is equal to q of x, where p comma q and q of x are the functions of x. Then the particular integral pa is equal to minus y1 integral y2 into q of x by w into dx plus y2 into integral y1 into q of x by w into dx. So here the unknown values are w and q of x. So q of x is given by data and w we are going to find with the help of the given formula, like w is equal to determinant of y1, y2, y1 prime and y2 prime. So which is in the form of determinant of a, b, c, d. So the formula is ad minus bc. So y1 into dy2 by dx minus y2 into dy1 by dx. So after getting w, we can substitute in particular integral and evaluate the integrals, respective integrals. Finally we get particular integral. So the general solution of the given equation is y is equal to cf plus pa. So how to find CF? I already given previous lectures how to find the CF. From that we can get this complementary function plus particular integral. So this is the general solution of the any given differential equation, like method of variation of parameters. So coming to our question, I am going to take second problem. Y double prime minus 6y prime plus 9y is equal to e power 3x by x square. So which is in the form of this one, where q of x is equal to e power 3x by x square, and the symbolic form, what is the symbolic form? This one, d square minus 6d plus 9 into y is equal to e power 3x by x square. This is the symbolic form. Before we are going to solve this question, let us go for complementary function. So what is the complementary function for this question? Let us consider auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is f of d is equal to 0, which means f of d is nothing but this one, d square minus 6d plus 9 is equal to 0. It can be written as d minus 3 whole square, which means d is equal to 3 comma 3. These are the roots. So these are real and repeated roots. So that complementary function, we should recall repeated real roots c1 plus c2x into e power mx. So that means c1 plus c2x into e power 3x. This is the complementary function. Before we are going to find the particular integral, let us denote what is the y1 and what is the y2. So for our convenience, we have written this one, c1 e power 3x plus c2 into x into e power 3x. Let us take y1 is equal to e power 3x and y2 is equal to x into e power 3x. So we are going to find w. So let us find dy1 by dx, dy2 by dx. So dy1 by dx differentiation is 3 into e power 3x, and dy2 by dx, this is uv, x into e power 3x into 3, I can write 3 here, plus e power 3x into differentiation of x with respect to x is 1, that is 1. So after getting these are all, we are going to find w. Let us substitute directly. y1 is e power 3x, y2 is x into e power 3x, and dy1 by dx is 3 into e power 3x, and this is 3x e power 3x plus e power 3x, which is equal to AD minus BC. So multiplying this one, 3x into e power 6x, already 3x is there, 3x plus 3x, plus e power 6x minus 3x into e power 6x so then 3x into e power minus 3x, 3x into e power 6x, positive and negative both are cancelled. So answer is e power 6x. This is w value. Now we are going to find particular integral. Therefore directly I am writing particular integral, substitution, because already formula is there. y1, let us substitute, minus y1 is nothing but e power 3x, integral y2, what is the y2? X into e power 3x, q of x is this one, e power 3x by x square divided by, what is the w? E power 6x, this is first one, into dx, plus y2 into this one, y2 means x into e power 3x, integral y1, what is the value of y1? E power 3x, q of x is e power 3x by x square, again by e power 6x dx. Now simplify this one, then e power 6x, e power 6x, so both are cancelled. E power 3x into e power 3x, e power 6x, already e power 6x there, cancel. So xx one time cancel. E power minus e power 3x into remaining is 1 by x dx, plus x into e power 3x as it is. So again here e power 6x, e power 3x into e power 3x gets cancelled. 1 by x square. I can write this is 1 by x square. This is next, minus e power 3x. So 1 by x is, integral 1 by x is log x, plus x into e power 3x, integral 1 by x square is minus 1 by x. So then xx gets cancelled. The simplified one is minus e power 3x into, so here minus is common, log x plus 1. This is the particular integral. Therefore the general solution is y is equal to CF plus PA. CF is c1 plus c2x into e power 3x plus particular integral is minus e power minus e power 3x into log x plus 1. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. Thank you.